In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply body filler and shape it when you're working on a body line.
But I'm going to put some tape on that edge real fast, and that'll just eliminate body filler, wrapping around that edge there. I don't need it there, and that's just going to be extra cleanup and sanding and things like that. So I'm going to put some tape there just to keep it off. Now I can apply all I want to, and if it gets over on the tape, that's okay, because I'm going to pull the tape here in a little bit. So like with any of the body filler, same principle. You push down hard with a tight coat, and then you follow a fill coat, where you allow it to build up some. Now with a body line, in the case of this Mustang, you notice I'm working one side of the body line and then the other, trying to build a sharper point for the body line. Body lines can be difficult, when straightening or working your body filler, but if you'll keep it separate, that's what it's going to work out, not trying to do it all with one pass. Now, before I pulled that tape, I let it set up just a little bit, and then I pulled the tape. And I talked about applying the body filler one side of the body line at a time. Well, when you're block sanding, you want to do the same thing. You want to sand one side of the body filler and then the other side separately. What I mean is, that flat surface that I'm sanding right now, I'm not sanding over that line. So I want to get that. Now I'm on the top side and I'm sanding down to the body line. So keep those sanding techniques separated. Now I'm just going to speed it up a bit so I don't bore you with block sanding, but I didn't want to skip any of the steps either. So I'm just continue block sanding. I'm using 80 grit, and it's a small area. I didn't really want to use 36. Now when I was block sanding, I realized there's still a little bit of a low area, so I mixed up a little bit more body filler, and I'm going to apply some more body filler on there. I put the tape back on so that the body filler doesn't wrap around the edge there, and apply the filler. And anytime you apply it, be sure that you clean the surface, blow it off, and mix it like we talked about earlier. Okay, now that I have it mixed up and applied, I'm going to sand that using 80 grit, getting it sanded down. Now this body filler really sanded really good. It really surprised me. Had some students try it and they really liked it on some different projects and different spots on this car, and they really liked it too. And so really impressed with the body filler. It's real creamy, goes on smooth, and sands easy. Okay, I've got it almost right. Not perfect yet. You want to leave a little bit for your final sanding here. Before I switch to 150 grit, I am going to apply some guide coat. So I put the tape on to keep from getting guide coat, where I don't want it. I'm just going to put a little bit of guide coat in that area. Now I'm going to switch sandpapers from 80 to 150 grit, and basically the 150 gets rid of the 80 grit scratches. Now I'm following the same technique. I'm cross sanding like I've talked about in a lot of the other videos, and sanding one side of the body line at a time. And so don't speed it up, so don't bore you with the sanding process. That it takes a little bit of time to get it right. Okay, now the body line was real sharp. Now I'm slightly going to go over the body line just to make it the same roundness. I mean, you don't want it so sharp you could shave with it. You want it to match the existing body line. So I had to slightly go over to give it the same shape as the rest of the quarter panel there.
And that, my friends, is how you fill and shape body filler when working on a body line. Be sure and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.